cerca de solteira I need no cerca de solteira Seen next door, throwing that ass for days. Booty going up, down. I ain't got no problem spending all of my money. Tryna see what's up now. I can do this all day like it ain't nothing. Black card, party in the backyard. Shawty got the black bra showing. Tatted up, ass fat enough. She a bad bitch and she already know it. Yes, she know it. Yes, she know it. Yeah, yeah, she know it. Yes, she a bad bitch and she already know it. Yes, she know it. Yes, she know it. Yeah, yeah, she know it. Yes, she know it. She gon' make me spend some money on it. Yes, she know it. Whole bank account, I blow it.
Are you with me? We're standing with the roof gone. I pull up like Jimmy Neutron. Hoping I could get a move on. Like you haul, and I know we need to go slow, but we could go faster. Maybe the password. Slide city, you know what that means. I'm coming up on you quickly. Happy nice things. Slide for me, other man tryna get in the bed. So I'ma get first instead. I know it's gonna make you bad. What would I do? Falling in love, you babe. What would I do? If I didn't love you, babe. What would I do? If I didn't love you. Wanna be the one to give you what you want. Not the words you ain't saying around. Right around town with your hair down. I know you like it when I tell you what you want. Baby, baby, what you doing, what you want. I can tell your friends if you don't want that. You need to go slow, but we can go faster. Let me the password. Slide city, you know what that means. I'm coming up on you quickly. Happy nice things. Slide for me, other man tryna get in the bed. So I'ma get slashed today. I know it's gonna make you mad. But what I do? Try to love you, babe. What would I do? Try to love you, babe. What would I do?
Like she don't want the limelight, but if you knew, she lives a lie. She calls her paparazzi, then she acts surprised. Oh, I know what she needs. She just wants the fame, I know what she thinks. Give it a little taste, run it back to me. Put it in the place, bring it to people. Ooh, every night, she prays to the sky. Flashing lights, it's all she ever wants to do. To be popular, back to the dream to be popular. Kill anyone to be popular, sell her soul to be popular. Popular, just to be popular. Everybody scream 'cause she popular. She mainstream 'cause she popular. Let her be free 'cause she popular.
Money on top of me, money on top of her. Money on top of me, money on top of her. Money on top of me, money on top of her. Money on top of me, money on top of her. Money on top of me, money on top of her. Money on top of me, money on top of her. Money on top of me, money on top of her. Money on top of me, money on top of her.
Gotta own it, that I'm alright. You can't take my soul without a fucking fight.
Oh, I know what she needs. She just wants the fame, I know what she needs. Give it a little taste, run it back to me. Put it in the place, bring it to people. Ooh, every night, she prays to the sky. Flashing lights, it's all she ever wants is begging on her knees to be popular. Back to the dream.
money on top of her. Money on top of me, money on top of her. Shawty fuck with me 'cause she know I'm popular. Shawty fuck with me 'cause she know I'm popular. Money on top of me, money on top of her. Money on top of me, money on top of her. Shawty fuck with me 'cause she know I'm popular. Shawty fuck with me 'cause she know I'm popular. We get money and we keeping it. I'm getting can, I'm keeping it. Money on top of me, money on top of her. Shawty fuck with me 'cause she know I'm popular.
Popular, born to be popular. She ain't that 20 mil, but she run it up. She can never be broke 'cause she popular. Tell her what came on for the followers. Begging on her knees to be popular. love is very special. If you want it, you can have it, but don't take me for granted. So much things I did not say. I'm from Portmore, that's in J.A. We can do it on that beach there. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, rock it, set it, rock it, set it, rock it, set it, rock it, set it. Back shot, somehow you got extra, forget me not. When it's sweet, yo, what you say? When you look up at you, I mean that doggy style, puppy whisper. So hot it in the fire fever. If you can't fast and a vista, tell Afi, Afa, Papi, Lego, Queen, Lower, Bodo, Lover, Bodo, Cover, Tattoo, Color, Wow, Summer. Philippi, when I can't pull the post, all up on all of mine, all about Philly, developers, Philly, developers. Somehow you got extra, forget me not. When it's sweet, yo, what you say? It's not that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. No. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views, ordinary day. All I wanna hear is in the visions on replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you, you wish away, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away and sit right next to you. I want you right. I swear it's hard to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket low. Fuck gravity, I'd rather stay up here. Well, we can get away. Palm trees, beach views, ordinary day. All I wanna hear is in the visions on replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you, you wish away, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away and sit right next to you.
Think about you. If it's something that you want, then you should make me your girl, your girl. If it's something that you need, then baby, come and share my world. Oh, if it's something that you want, come and take a walk with me, with me. It's everything that you need, I got it right here, baby. And now it's obvious you need a friend to come hold
wanna share your everything when no one's around. Baby, come tell me your secrets and tell me all your dreams. Cause I can see you need someone to trust. You can trust in me. So just call me whenever you're lonely. I'll be your friend, I can be your homie. If it's something that you want, then you should make me your girl. If it's something that you need, then baby, come and share my world. If it's something that you want, come and take a walk with me. Walk with me. Yeah, anything that you need.
Hi guys, good morning. How are you? I hope you're doing good. I just woke up, not like waking up literally, but I just got off my bed a few minutes ago. Today's on the 4th of February. I woke up feeling not energized at all. But then we've not fixed the mic situation yet, and luckily we got a refund. And I also have a friend who is selling his, so that's where I'm gonna get them from today, I think. Yeah, so I hope you're doing good. So today I might go to the salon to I might go to the salon today to fix my hair situation. Yeah, I might go to fix this hair situation because I hate when my hair stays in a natural mode. I hate it. I want to go and get some braid some cornrows. Yeah, and then apart from that, yeah, pick up the mic from the friend, and then I'm preparing guashe to have for lunch. And I also want to make fruit juice right now. I want to make it with mangoes because I have a lot of mangoes. I want to make it with mangoes, bananas, and leftover avocado. And I'm very excited. Am I though? Because I feel demotivated. I don't know why I'm feeling demotivated for the past. It's a long time, man. It's a long time. And I have a lot to do. But hopefully we will have that figured out today. But I hope you guys are good. I hope you woke up well. I hope you are taking care of yourselves. I realized that maybe I have not made an intro to this vlog. So welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Elle. You can call me Jerry if you like. Please subscribe, comment, share, like down below. And tell a friend that Elle has a channel. And yeah, I think I'll see you guys in the next clip. I don't have much to say right now. I just wanted to record the video of me making the juice. So let's do it right away, and then maybe I'll see you guys once my guashe are ready, because I want to have them with guashe, eggs, and then I'll have the fruit juice. I'm excited for that meal, but I don't have greens. But I don't mind not having greens. See you guys.
Business got me out here choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. Let your mommy screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. Even though I don't ski, I'm the lowest of the lowest. But if you can keep it, ain't nobody knows shit. Even though I don't ski, I'm the lowest of the lowest. But if you can keep it, ain't nobody knows shit. I need total confidential privacy. No one knows, thinking I'm a robin. Time's so strange that we on the first class bed. Don't work my nerves, you know I get more. Yeah, fucking we ain't making love no more. He took that talk, but he no matter with. So strong with me. Whatever you need, don't call me. I don't really like to get it poppin', but these bitches
business, got me out, you to the balance. See me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, mommy screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. Even I don't ski, I'm the lowest of the lowest. But I need to keep it that ain't nobody knows. I'm the lowest of the lowest. But if you can keep that, ain't nobody knows it.
Hi guys, so I am done making my food, and this is what I'm having. I'm having sweet potatoes with eggs, and then with this juice that I just made right now, and it's so good. I don't know why I've never made such a nice combination of fruit juice, but this is really nice. Although I don't like it thick, but I don't mind it. I do not mind it. So here's the food. I do not like my yolk fully cooked. I like them like 3/4 cooked. What do we call that? Almost cooked. So I'm going to enjoy this. I know this is going to burst. This is probably going to be my only meal of the day, because nowadays I've not been enjoying eating a lot, and then I don't like having sugar. I've been trying to cut down on sugar, so I feel like this is too much of sugar, but luckily it's just fructose, nothing much. So yeah, this is basically going to be my meal of the day. I also understand that sweet potatoes have sugar in them, natural sugar in them, so that's what I'm going to survive on for the next few months. I don't know, maybe for the next few days, because I might cave in anytime. With that struggle, you might cave in anytime. But for me, I'm just grateful to be doing like healthy combination, although there's no greens. But I honestly do not mind, because these are whole foods already, and I might get, although it's blended, but fruits give you a lot of fiber, but I know it's blended, so you're going to come for me. And so I'm going to watch a show here on Netflix. I've been watching a Netflix series that's called Little Women. It's a K-drama and I love it so much, though I can't understand the plot kidogo because inapeleka mtu hivi narudi, I don't know why. And it was from 2022. I don't know why I've never seen it. But I like the plot. One thing with Koreans and one thing with people that are not Americans and Africans, they will make the best movies, especially in the Asian communities and in the UK. They make the best series and movies. I don't know about you. I don't know about your take about that. I don't know about your opinion, but for me, I feel like people who are not Americans have a very unique plot and the way they do their movies and the way they create their series. This is just a way that it's very unique. You can't miss it. And kama itakuwa a miss to be a very big miss, and if it's going to be a hit, it's going to be a very big hit, because I've seen in the personally the way I see in the American series and movies is that it's like the plot is borrowed. They're trying to twist the original plot iende hivi, but at the end of the series and the movie, the ending is still the same. So that's why I feel like I like K-drama and things that are not, especially, have you seen these Spanish movies, this Latina series, easy soaps? They have the best of the best movies. And in Africa, one of the countries that has the best movies and with the really nice plots is South Africa, together with Nigeria. And Nigeria, we have seen that because they have always produced the Afro cinemas for us, and we love them so much. So I love Nigerian Nini, but Sana I will prefer South Africans. I don't know where Kenya we are at still right now, but I think we are just trying. Honestly, we are just trying. So yeah, so let me enjoy my meal as I enjoy that series right now, and I hope I'll catch you guys. I might go to the salon today. I don't know if it won't be too late. After time in the salon, and then I go pick up that microphone. I'm just waiting for communication from my friend. But again, I've not washed my hair. I have not washed my hair, and I need to wash it and flat iron it. So yeah, so I'm headed to pick up the microphones that I told you about. Take two. I realized you couldn't hear me in the previous footage that I took. So yeah, and my phone is going off, so I don't know if I'm going to vlog today, but I really hope to see you soon. So let's go and test them out before my battery goes off. And I'm from the salon. I love my hair so much. It's been a minute since I did like braided contours, and I love them so much. Anyway guys, I think I'll see you once you see me later. Tumefika, we are here.